Shine bright like a diamond. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look. If you are new here, I am LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on that notification bell. And let's get straight into the tutorial. So I'm going to start with the P. Louise base in the shade Room Number 1. And I like to dot that generously all over the lid, and then I just use a fluffy brush, like a concealer brush, to tap that all over. And I don't really mind if it goes into my brows because I'll do them afterwards. And I'm just kind of doing tapping motions to set that into place. Taking the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be going in with this shade here, which is Love Letter. And with that, I'm going to be taking a very, very small brush and tapping that into the crease and really building up the pigmentation. I'm also going to tap that all over the lid as well. And then taking a slightly bigger fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with this shade Burnt Orange, which is this one here. And I'm going to use that to blend out the pink and kind of overlap it as well. And then taking a bigger, fluffier brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Tempera, which is just this one here. And I'm going to blend the top part of that brown out, and it'll kind of naturally blend out the brown and diffuse it a little bit more as well. And like I said, I'm not really bothered if it goes into my eyebrow because I'll do my eyebrows afterwards. And then I'm going to repeat the steps. So I'm going to go back in with the Burnt Orange just to put that colour back in, but still having the nice diffusion from the lighter colour that we used to blend that out. And then going in with the smaller brush with the shade Love Letter, and then once again intensifying that colour. And then taking a small packed fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is Cypress Umber, and I'm going to kind of focus this on the outer corner of the eye just to kind of intensify or make it a little bit smokier. And then I'm going to blend that out with the pink shade again, pinky purple shade. And then to blend that out, I'm going to be using the pink shade. Then taking an e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going to go in with this shimmery shade here, which is called Vermeer. And I'm going to focus that on the texture of their shimmery eyeshadows. Is like so cool. It's like such a weird texture, but it's good. But I'm going to focus this on the inner corner. And I'm going to put whatever's left on the brush just underneath the arch of my brow. For the eyeliner, I'm going to go for my Holy Grail, the Soap & Glory Super Cat eyeliner. To tightline my eyes, I'm going to be using the Avon Glimmer Stick eyeliner in the black shade. I'm going to put this on my lower eye. And then I'm just using whatever is remaining on that fluffy brush that we used for the Cypress Umber shade. I'm just going to use this for underneath the eye just to kind of blend out that black. For brows, I'm just going to be going in with my NYX brow gel. I always use the black one because it just gives you such a better look. And then I'm going to go in with the Soap & Glory Archery Brow Tint and Precision Shape and Pencil just to add just a little bit of definition. As you can see, there's just a little bit extra in this brow. I think that's the best I'm going to get for my brows today. Now I'm going to be trying the Shaaanxo, the Rebel lashes. I'm so excited to finally have my hands on some of Shaan's lashes. If you know me, you know I've been obsessed with Shaaanxo for years and years. So I'm really excited to give these a try. They were very kindly sent to me from falselashes.co.uk. So I'm just going to trim a little bit of the end off because my eyes are tiny. And then using possibly one of my favourite eyelash glues in the world. This is the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive, and I'm going to put a generous amount on. So this is what the lashes look like. I love them. So for my base makeup, I'm going to be starting with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. If I'm completely honest with you, I'm just wanting to use this up because it's got like the tiniest bit left now. I don't think I'd purchase it again. I think it's a bit too slippery. If you're oily, I'd probably recommend to stay away from it. I have done a full video where I compared it to the Benefit Professional, so I will leave that link down below. It's such an old video. For foundation, I'm going to be applying the Avon Mark range. This is their Glow On Natural Radiance Foundation in the shade Creamy Natural. It's quite like a thick consistency, this one. And then I'm going to blend that out with the Kit Stars S4 Base Polisher Brush. I've been absolutely loving this brush. Since I tried it in a first impressions video. I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. Little plug. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline The Eraser Eye Concealer in Light, and this is kind of like the baby skin. I'm just trying to use this up because I've got the tiniest bit left. I don't think I'd repurchase this one again as well. I don't think the light, first of all, is light enough for my skin colour anyway, but I just don't think it's a very good concealer, to be honest. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose because that foundation isn't the best either. I'm not sure if you're able to pick it up on camera, but my nose is like all peely. It's like the foundation, the concealer just aren't sticking to it. I wouldn't recommend this foundation or this concealer if I'm honest with you. I'm just kind of wanting to use it up. Don't get me wrong, my nose doesn't like need an exfoliation, but my normal foundation wouldn't be like this on it. It's just not like sticking. I don't like it. To set all of that in place and hopefully save the day, I'm going to be using the Face Stockholm Powder Foundation in the shade Late August, which just looks like this, with my Trust Me Spectrum, I think it's the A00 brush, yeah. And I'm just going to tap this all over the skin, and hopefully that'll help save this foundation mess I've got going on. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with my favourite thing in the whole world. It's the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Tan with my Real Techniques blusher brush, which you all know by now I use for bronzer. This foundation has gone hideous, by the way. I cannot wait to take it off. For blusher, as picked out by my lovely sister, Millie Moo, we're going to be going for Havana from Benefit, which just looks like this. This used to be like my absolute favourite when I used to work on the makeup counters on Benefit. I used to love this. It's nice actually because without you realising, it's purple, which goes in nicely with my eye look. For highlighter, I'm going to go in my Precious Dull Light highlighter in Like a Diamond. It is blinding. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. No. Shall I leave it in? Let the YouTube see my funny side, my weird side. So we've got lips next. I'm going to be taking the MAC Stripped Down Lip Liner. And then for lipstick, we're going to go to the drugstore for the Collection Rich Truffle Intense Shine Gel Lip Colour. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, then please don't forget to hit subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I upload on
Wednesday, Sunday.
What time?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. We shall see you then. Goodbye.